Getting ready for the UK's ADR exam? Let's jump right into what you'll need to know to pass. We're going to cover the format, a few sample questions, and of course, the best way to get ready.
First up, you gotta know the exam structure. It's the key to walking in there feeling confident.
All right, you'll be looking at 50 multiple choice questions. They're all about those core safety rules.
And you only get 60 minutes to do it all. So yeah, time management is everything here.
The magic number to pass is 70%. It's totally doable if you've done your homework.
Okay, so what do these questions actually look like? Let's try a few out right now.
First one's about vehicle placarding. Here are your options.
Have a think? Got your answer? The right one is...
Yep, it's A. Those placards have to be on all sides. It's all about keeping everyone safe.
Okay, let's move on. This next one digs into the why behind the ADR rules.
Read these carefully. Think about the main goal of these regulations.
And the answer is B. No question about it. Safety is the #1 priority for ADR.
All right, last sample question. This one's a classic. Material classification. So, do you know the class for flammable liquids? Let's find out.
It's B, Class 3. You'll definitely want to have these classes down pat for the real exam. So now you see what you're up against. Practice is everything. But how should you do it?
Well, a lot of people use Easy-Quizzz.com. It's built specifically for this ADR exam.
What's cool is you get a web simulator and a mobile app, so you can study anywhere.
It's got realistic simulations, great explanations for answers, and a ton of practice questions.
With a tool like this, you're not just studying, you're getting ready to pass with confidence.
So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start prepping. You've got this.